Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Mode Technologies. In today's video, we will see how to install Visual Studio 2010 in your PC. So these are the two files you are gonna need for the installation. The first one is for the installation setup and second one is for uninstallation. So you have to download these files from Google, and first of all you have to install, and you have to click on the first folder. Here you will see lots of files, but you have to find the setup.exe file, which is the application file, and double click on that. So after double clicking, this window will open. So you can see install Microsoft Visual Studio option is there. Click on that. It's gonna take some seconds. So this is the second window. You will see you can uncheck this option because this is nothing useful. It doesn't change anything if you check it or uncheck it, so I will just uncheck it. So after it completes, you are gonna see the next option over there. Click on that and click on I have read and accept license terms. So click on next again. Here you have to choose the directory where you want to install. The root directory is C drive, which is the default location. Click on install. So these are the components it is gonna install, and after all the components get installed, the installation of Studio is gonna complete. So it takes about over 1 hour to install it completely. So I will just pause the video for some time. So guys, Visual Studio is a heavy software, so it is gonna make your PC a bit slow. Visual Studio 2013 version, it takes about 8 GB of space in your PC, so it generally hangs the PC. And this version is much lighter than 2013 version, so you have to first try to install 2010 version. So because this is much lighter than the other one, so you can see most of the components have been installed, but some of them are still left. So just one more component left, and you can have a look at the time. It is 9:49 and the installation is started at about 9, so it has already taken about 1 hour. So even without any error, a Visual Studio installation takes about 1 hour, so this is a long process. In my next video we are gonna see how to install SQL Server 2008 R2, because the installation of SQL Server is much more difficult than this one, because there are many chances of error in that. So this is the last component. So after the finishing of installation, you can see the finish option and success over there. Click on finish. So you can just search for Visual Studio and you're gonna see this option. So this is your installed Visual Studio setup. It's gonna take some time to open up for the first time. So there are some options. You have to select the first one, general development setting, or you can select Visual C Sharp development settings as your requirement, but I will recommend general development setting and click on start Visual Studio. So this is how you can install and start your Visual Studio. So you can see it is installed and this is how it works. Thanks for watching guys, and wait for my next video for SQL Server installation. Thanks for